Welcome back to Noviland. It's another beautiful day in paradise. Today we're going to take a look around and see what's growing for the summer. Check out the garden. First, we're going to take a look at these purple lilies that are pretty. Only in bloom for a couple weeks of the year, if that long. We had some good rain last night, so everything is feeling so green. So let's take a look at the garden. I actually do plant a garden. And you can see it's doing pretty well. In fact, see some good tomatoes on the vine. Some bunches. I like planting the Roma tomatoes and the cherry tomatoes because both of them grow in bunches. I get a lot more yield from that. Sure, there's tricks to growing the big fat tomatoes, the single ones. My green thumb isn't quite that green, so I'm happy with what I get. I got this little fenced-in area with my little door. Had it for a few years and successfully keeps the rabbits out. Keeps the vegetables in. As I said on a previous video, keeps them from escaping. Let's see what we got in door number 2. Cucumbers. I do see a few little cucumbers growing. Nothing too big. But a few of them are definitely growing. Vines are doing quite well. I already ate one of the cucumbers, and I could attest that they taste pretty good. As for the rest, well, everything is very green and growing. Everything is looking good this year. The bushes are full. I've had to do a lot of landscaping and just warming up. It's a little difficult sometimes to do the landscaping this time of year, but everything is growing so extreme and it grows back very quickly. Like all of this on the old tiny house. That's just from this summer. I cleared it all off in the winter. It'll grow back. What else we got? These couple of rose bushes. And look, they're starting to bloom. It's bloom for a few weeks in the summer, and when they're in full bloom, they're gorgeous. Just warming up. Just warming up. I hear my neighbors out landscaping, doing their own mowing. I was able to get most things mowed. But it's green. Even the old dilapidated barn looks better this time of year with all the green on it. It'll look better when it's replaced with something in the future. But for now, it's just a nice scene. Just a nice, pleasant part of my background. It's beautiful trees. Another gorgeous day here in paradise. A little fire pit The nice thing about having all this land and so much growing is I don't need to buy firewood. Self-replenishes. Not that I need to have too many campfires in summer when it's 90 degrees. But there's plenty of times during the year when it's not. Another great day. As always, I wish you were here. Love you. I send you blessings. What have you got growing in your yard? What did you plant this year? Let me know in the comments. Bless you.